Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to access ChatGPT 4 for free. So let's go to the browser first, and if you go to ask Google is ChatGPT 4 free, now you'll get the answer here. Use ChatGPT 4.0 is free. It's an improved version of ChatGPT 4 and OpenAI made it for free for everyone. So you don't have to move another service to access ChatGPT 4 for free. Keep in mind you must log into your account to freely access ChatGPT 4.0. However, you don't need a ChatGPT Plus subscription. Okay, ChatGPT 4 is for free for everyone. Now I'm gonna show you how you can access ChatGPT 4. All you have to open a new tab and write here ChatGPT, and then you'll find here ChatGPT introducing ChatGPT. You can access ChatGPT in two ways: open up a new account, or you can directly access ChatGPT without opening account. So all you have to, I'm showing you how you can use ChatGPT without opening an account. Click on try ChatGPT. Now you can see that there is no uh, account, but you can use ChatGPT for free. Okay, so this is how you can use ChatGPT for free. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.